Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about what is bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is one of the most important functions in any business, yet it is often misunderstood or overlooked. Whether you are a small business owner, freelancer, entrepreneur, or non-profit organization, bookkeeping serves as the foundation of your financial health. Simple put, bookkeeping is the process of recording, organizing, and tracking a business financial transactions. Every sale, purchase, payment, expense, and deposit should be properly recorded so the business has an accurate picture of its financial position. Without bookkeeping, businesses operate in the dark. With proper bookkeeping, business owners gain the financial clarity needed to make informed decisions, stay compliant with tax laws, and build long term success. Understanding bookkeeping. Bookkeeping involves maintaining a systematic record of all financial activities within a business. These records help track where money comes from, where it goes, and how the business is performing financially. Common bookkeeping activity includes recording sales and income, tracking expenses, managing invoices, recording customer payments, reconciling bank accounts, monitoring accounts payable, monitoring accounts receivable, organizing receipts and financial documents, preparing financial reports. Bookkeeping creates an organized financial history that helps businesses monitor performance and maintain accurate records. Why bookkeeping is important? Many business owners focus on generating sales and serving customers while neglecting their financial records. Unfortunately, poor bookkeeping can lead to serious problems. Proper bookkeeping helps business know their financial position. Accurate bookkeeping provides a clear picture of revenue, expenses, profit, debt, cash flow. Instead of guessing how the business is doing, owners can rely on real numbers. Improve decision making. Business decisions should be based on facts, not assumptions. Bookkeeping allows owners to determine which products are most profitable, which services generate the highest revenue, where expenses are increasing, whether the business can afford expansion. Financial reports generated from bookkeeping provide valuable insights that support smart decision making. Simplify tax preparation. Tax season becomes much easier when financial records are organized throughout the year. Bookkeeping helps track tax deductible expenses, business income, payroll information, asset purchases. Accurate records reduce the risk of tax errors and help ensure businesses claim all eligible deductions. The difference between bookkeeping and accounting. Many people use the terms bookkeeping and accounting interchangeable, but they are not the same. Bookkeeping focus on recording transactions, organizing financial data, maintaining financial records. Accounting focuses on analyzing financial data, preparing tax returns, creating financial strategies, providing business advice. Think of bookkeeping as gathering and organizing information, while accounting uses that information to make financial decisions. Bookkeeping comes first. Accounting depends on accurate bookkeeping. Common financial reports generated through bookkeeping. Bookkeeping produces several important reports that help business owners understand their finances. One is the profit and loss statement, also known as income statement. This report shows revenue, expenses, profit, or loss. It helps determine where the business is making money. Balance sheet. A balance sheet provides a snapshot of assets, liabilities, owner's equity. This report shows the overall financial health of the business. Cash flow statement. Cash flow reports track money moving in and out of the business. They help answer important questions such as, can the business pay bills? Is there enough cash available for growth? Are expenses being managed effectively? Single entry versus double entry bookkeeping. There are two primary bookkeeping systems. Single entry bookkeeping. Single entry bookkeeping records transaction once. For example, income recorded as a deposit, expense recorded as a payment. This system is simple but may not provide enough detail for larger businesses. Double entry bookkeeping. Double entry bookkeeping records each transaction in two accounts. For example, a sales increase income, the same sales increases cash or accounts receivable. This method creates more accurate financial records and is the standard system used by most businesses. Modern bookkeeping software. Technology has made bookkeeping easier than ever. Popular bookkeeping software includes QuickBooks Online, Xero, FreshBooks, Wave Accounting, Zoho Books. These platforms help automate tasks such as transaction imports, invoice creation, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, financial reporting. Automation reduces errors and saves significant time. Common bookkeeping mistakes. Many businesses make bookkeeping mistakes that can create financial problems. Some common errors include mixing personal and business expenses, failing to save receipts, not reconciling bank accounts, ignoring cash flow, falling behind on record keeping, misclassifying expenses. Consistent bookkeeping help avoid these issues. Benefit of good bookkeeping. Businesses that maintain accurate books often experience better cash flow management, easier tax preparation, improved profitability, faster business growth, strong financial decision making, reduced stress, better loan and funding opportunities. Good bookkeeping provides clarity and confidence. In conclusion, I would say bookkeeping is much more than recording numbers. It is the process that helps businesses understand their finances, manage cash flow, prepare for taxes, and make informed decisions. Every successful business, regardless of size, depends on accurate bookkeeping. Without it, financial confusion can quickly develop. With it, business owners gain the information they need to grow, remain compliant, and achieve long-term success. At its core, bookkeeping is the financial foundation of every thriving business. The better you understand your numbers, the stronger your business becomes. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.